Hi guys, this is Wandering World. Enjoy watching with this Montour trail, things to do and see. And now guys, we are going to do a geocaching in this area. So enjoy watching. Look at that guys, this is part of our trail. Oh, it's a camera.
It's wet.
It's wet. It's cute. So this is our first catch of the day. And look at that, it's look like a camera. Oh my goodness. We found it guys. Look at that one. Yay, that's really cute. See, you cannot tell because it's like a wood. It's really a wood. So we're gonna log in. Ala duk-duk para magawas ang papel. Duk-duk dong duk-duk. Is it coming out? And that's the trail guys. And we are here. So we are going to log in. We found it! Yay! Did you bring something to put?
Yeah, I got a little bigger thing.
Okay. And that's the trail guys there. Down there is the trail. And we are up here. What's inside the...
All kinds of stuff.
Oh. Let's check it out.
Log.
Oh, there's a Santa Claus there.
Let's see.
We found it guys. Look at that one. Yay!
Oh, it's in good shape too.
And so this is our fourth catch of the day. And after that, we are going back to the trail so that we can get another catch. So guys, just enjoy watching. So how is it? Guys, I told him it's here, but he doesn't believe me. So we are looking for this. Look at that guys. Ha ha ha. Found it. So guys, we found it. We're going to log in and return. And we are going to head to our next. So guys, mabalik namin dito sa taas. Guys, it took us a while guys, but look at that. At this catch guys, it's looked like a wood container, and it took us a while to look for this catch, but we're almost to surrender at this time. And then when we're about to leave, I said I guess I found the wood container, so let's check it out. And it is really there.
Okay. Oh, look
We
at here.
found it guys.
This is even a bigger one. Good thing I seen the deer trail. Oh, there's all kind of swag in here. And a little bitty pins. Pokemon magazine. see what else is in here. Look at him.
Yeah. There's a small car.
Cars. Buttons, eyes off of some stuffed animal.
Is there money there, love? Dollar?
No money.
Oh my.
What's this?
What is that?
Circuit board off of something.
Okay, we need to log in.
I'll give. We're at 290. We got 8.
Oh, we got 8.
This is at 282.
I'd rather go geocaching and a little bit cold.
Yeah.
So, see you next, guys.
Oh, they camouflaged it. That's camouflage.
Look at it, how small it is. It's a micro.
It is soaking wet.
Oh, so we are not going to. We don't have a paper here.
No, I'm gonna.
And so now, guys, you can see all the wonderful things there was to see on this trail. It's beautiful out here. This trail has a lot of flowers and decorations along it. Some people spent a lot of time planting these flowers and arranging these little areas along the trail. There's also places to sit. If you get tired, you can just pull over. And the most amazing part was this tunnel that we went through. It's an old railroad tunnel that was built a long time ago. That they have lights in it. It says there's a warning sign in the wintertime. If you do go there maybe in the fall or in the spring when it's still a little cold, be careful because water is dripping from the ceiling in there. But some of the reviews we read said that it's really beautiful with the icicles hanging down. Here's some of the things that we saw along the trail. Some of the flowers. You've seen there were some bird houses that somebody built and are displaying there. Some really neat looking flowers along the trail that you can tell they're not native. They were planted there by somebody that I don't know who. There were some raspberries and here's a flag that was alongside of a little rest area that had, here it is, picnic tables there that we stopped off and we ate a little snack there before we headed on our way on down the trail. But yeah, here's an old bicycle. They call it the ghost bicycle, I believe, something about ghost. There's some bottles they use to decorate along the trail that just beautiful, guys. It's really worth going to. That we're going to try to get out, and we only rode a short section, probably about 4 miles, and I believe this trail is some 20 miles long. So there's a lot more to this trail than what we have experienced. That if the rest of it is as beautiful as what we saw, we're definitely going to enjoy seeing more of it.
Yeah, guys, if you really love nature, you visit this place and you will enjoy.
Yeah.
And there's a park also for the kids that they can play. So you can do biking, walking, what else that you can do on this trail?
Well, now there's people we've seen that were hiking too, that there was places that
you can rest.
Go and camp out overnight.
Yeah, they can camp out.
They even provide some firewood for you, and they have fire pits, so you can have your little fire there. That I guess there's people, you could, especially if you were walking, you couldn't make the whole trail in a day. Maybe if you're bicycling, you might be able to. But so
This is the old camping area, camp area number 3. We
Yeah.
have firewood so that you can set your tent up and you can sit here and stir the sticks up, make your fire.
You have the table.
Yep.
And you can put your tent here.
And back down there was one that was covered in case it's raining.
Yeah, there's another one there.
Yeah.
It's covered. Can we go that way?
Yeah, I guess so. You want. Remember we passed it.
Yeah, is it far?
No, it's just right down here. In these woods right here, because next little trail. There's another picnic table.
So this one, the small one, what is this for?
Look, back up in there.
They just put wood for so that you can use it.
Oh yeah.
See guys, this one is a covered that you can use this. Oh, see
if
that?
it's
guys?
raining,
Yeah, if it's raining, you can use this one.
get up in there out of the rain, or even at night to keep the dew off of it.
And then you have table here, and then you can do your campfire. So what is that for?
Wood.
This one,
Put wood
wood.
in.
Wood.
They done burned all the wood.
Oh, look at the other one here.
Hmm?
Here's the other one here.
Oh yeah, there's one.
Yeah, you can camp here also.
Yeah.
So this is
So
nice.
if you want to go here and
Yeah, guys, look at, there's a butterfly. That was a real one. That wasn't a fake one. There was a lot of butterflies too along this trail. We're really happy that we had the time to go here and see this place. There it is. It's the Ghost bicycle. And this was, I don't know, maybe it was put up by the Tandem bicycle shop. That's where we parked at.
Ghost bicycle.
Why is it called Ghost Bicycle?
Yeah.
And that's the story of the tunnel
Yeah, this
that we showed to our other what you call this, our video
Yeah.
about this trail. So this video is just like what are the things to do and see on this trail.
Yeah, this little parking area would probably be a good place to park at because there's not a lot of cars there. And so it was hot out too. There I'm cleaning the
Are you
sweat off
enjoying
my
the day?
sunglasses.
Oh yeah,
Oh, there's a. This is Wandering World, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to
like and share and subscribe and ring that bell.
and comment down below. See you next time. And thank you for watching, guys. See you on our next vlog. Bye bye.